guys, ito na ay happy Friday. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in my room, resting for a while. I'm very hot outside. I'm planning to go to the balcony, but look at the sun on top of the building. I show you the sun now on top of the building in our neighbor, next building from here. Oh, it's on top of the building, very hot. You know, almost Vermont, but the weather is still very hot. But now, slowly, the temperature is going down. Plus, 2 weeks ago, the temperature reached 50 something. 51, 52 like that, and 49, 48, 47. Now I think it's 46 or 45 degrees. I'll check later the weather temperature. Anyway guys, today is Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good weekend everyone. Anyway, how many days from now? It's already Vermont and it's already my birthday. I'm planning to celebrate my birthday, even a small celebration only with my friend in church. But until now, I don't have budget. We'll see if my salary will arrive early, and also my employer giving me my ticket and my annual leave, because I already finished my 2 years. I have annual leave and ticket. I hope and pray that they gonna give me my ticket and also my annual leave so that I can celebrate my birthday. Last year, I won't be able to celebrate my birthday because the money that is for my birthday, and instead of celebrating my birthday, I use the money to pay my on-the-job training and healthcare and home care facilities. Expensive also. I pay my training 1,500 dirham. Almost 1 month salary, and also the certificate. I'm working 300 hours. I complete my 300 hours training that time because they're not here. They went to vacation to Philippines. While they are on vacation, that's my annual leave. Instead of doing nothing, I take my on-the-job training in healthcare and home care facilities last year. That is why I won't be able to celebrate my birthday, because the money that I use to be for my birthday, I use it in my training in health and home care facilities. Anyway guys, look at the sun on top of that building. Very hot. I cannot stay long outside the building because the temperature is very hot outside. Anyway, happy Friday and have a good weekend in advance. See you next time. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Enjoy your weekend.